Hi guys, it's Sahasra. I'm from Blue Narwhal. It's going to be another math tips and tricks video. I'm going to do the 21 table to 29 table with a timetable trick. I have made some other videos with a trick called a pizza trick. Don't forget to watch those. Today I'm going to show you how to do things like 21 times 7, 24 times 8, 26 times 6, and 29 times 8 in a few seconds. We have an easy split formula to do in a few seconds. First, we are going to solve 21 times 7. We are going to circle 21 and split it by the tens and ones place, which is 20 and 1. Then we are going to multiply it by 7, because 7 is the other number. 2 times 7 equals 14. When we add the 0 to 14, 20 times 7 equals 140. And 1 times 7, of course, equals 7. 140 plus 7 equals 147. 147 is our answer, and 21 times 7 equals 147. You can apply same rule between 21 to 29 table. Next, we are going to do 24 times 6. Circle 24, split it 20 and 4, times 6, 6 is our other number. 2 times 6 equals 12. Then we add the 0, 20 times 6 equals 120. And 4 times 6 equals 24. 120 plus 24 equals 144. 144 is our answer, and 24 times 6 equals 144. Next, we're going to do 26 times 5. Circle 26, split it 20 and 6, times the other number 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. Add the 0, 20 times 5 equals 100. 6 times 5 equals 30. And 100 plus 30 equals 130. 26 times 5 equals 130. Next, we are going to do 29 times 6. Circle 29, split it again, this time 20 and 9, times 6, 6 is the other number. 2 times 6 equals 12. Add the 0, 20 times 6 equals 120. And 9 times 6 equals 54. 120 plus 54 equals 174. 174 is the answer. And 29 times 6 equals 174. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to practice this trick every day so that you don't forget it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!